The charm of Christmas lies not just in the grandeur, but in the little touches that make it special. As the countdown to the big day begins, there's often a scramble to add those festive accents to our homes. If you're short on time but still want to wow your guests or create a cozy atmosphere, fear not, there's an art to crafting beautiful, last-minute decorations. This guide is packed with quick, budget-friendly ideas that require minimal supplies yet deliver maximum impact. From paper creations to nature-inspired pieces, these DIY projects are perfect for anyone looking to infuse their space with a touch of festive magic, even at the 11th hour. Paper crafts are a staple for last-minute Christmas decor, offering endless possibilities for creativity. Begin with classic paper snowflakes, which are both timeless and versatile. Using plain white paper or even colorful sheets, fold the paper into triangles, and carefully snip patterns along the edges. When unfolded, these snowflakes become delicate pieces of art. Tape them to windows, hang them from ceilings, or string them together to create a snowy garland. For a nostalgic touch, paper chains are another quick and fun option. Cut strips of paper in festive colors, red, green, gold, or silver, then loop them together to form a chain. These can be draped over mantels, doorways, or even around the Christmas tree, adding a playful and cheerful vibe. Paper stars are another craft that's as stunning as it is simple. Fold and cut heavy paper into star shapes, glue them together, and embellish them with glitter or metallic paint for a festive shine. These stars can stand alone as decor pieces or be combined into a larger display. Finally, consider creating paper Christmas trees. Fold green cardstock into a cone shape, cut fringe along the edges, and layer the pieces to form miniature trees. These can be displayed on tables, shelves, or mantels for a charming forest scene. With just a few sheets of paper, you can transform your space into a whimsical winter wonderland. If these last-minute DIY Christmas decorations saved your holiday decor plans, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who might need a quick and festive fix this season. Mason jars are a versatile and stylish choice for DIY Christmas decor. Their transparent simplicity makes them the perfect canvas for a variety of festive ideas. One quick option is to fill mason jars with fairy lights. The warm glow creates an inviting ambience, making them ideal for centerpieces, windowsills, or nightstands. Another idea is to create mini snow scenes inside the jars. Start by adding a layer of artificial snow or white sugar to the bottom of the jar. Then, arrange small figurines such as reindeer, miniature trees, or Santa Claus inside. Seal the lid, and you've got a charming snow globe-inspired decoration. For a fragrant twist, mason jars can be transformed into scented candle holders. Place a small tea light or votive candle inside the jar and surround it with cinnamon sticks, cranberries, or sprigs of rosemary. The heat from the candle will release the scents, filling your space with festive aromas. If you're short on time, mason jars filled with colorful ornaments can also make a bold statement. Simply place assorted baubles of varying sizes and colors inside the jar for an instant decoration. Whether used as table decor, gifts, or part of a larger display, mason jars offer endless possibilities for last-minute Christmas creativity. Which last-minute DIY idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're putting together quick and creative Christmas decorations. Nature provides some of the most beautiful materials for Christmas decor, and the best part is they're often free and readily available. Pine cones, for instance, are a classic choice. Gather them from your backyard or a nearby park, and give them a festive upgrade by painting their tips with white paint or sprinkling them with glitter. Arrange them in bowls, scatter them across your table, or tie them to a garland for a rustic, elegant touch. Evergreen branches are another staple. Use them to craft garlands, wreaths, or simple bundles tied with twine. Lay them across your mantel or as a centerpiece for your dining table. Add a few red berries or miniature ornaments for a pop of color. Twigs can also be transformed into stunning decorations. Arrange them in vases and string them with lights or ornaments for a minimalist yet striking look. For a DIY project, glue twigs together in the shape of stars, snowflakes, or Christmas trees. Don't forget to incorporate citrus elements. Dried orange slices, tied with string, can be hung as ornaments or added to garlands and wreaths. The natural scent of citrus combined with evergreens creates an inviting and fresh holiday aroma. These nature-inspired accents are not only quick to assemble but also bring a sense of warmth and authenticity to your home. For more simple, budget-friendly, and creative holiday decorating tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Ornaments aren't just for the tree, they're incredibly versatile for last-minute decorating. Clear glass or plastic ornaments can be easily customized. Fill them with glitter, artificial snow, or small keepsakes like ribbons, buttons, or sprigs of greenery. Hang them on your tree, arrange them in a bowl, or use them as part of your gift wrapping. If you have spare fabric or felt lying around, try making soft ornaments. Cut shapes like stars, hearts, or stockings, sew or glue the edges together, and stuff them lightly for a 3D effect. These homemade ornaments add a personal and charming touch to your decor. Another quick idea is to upcycle old ornaments. Paint over outdated designs with chalk paint or metallic spray, then add embellishments like lace, beads, or stickers for a refreshed look. For a rustic twist, wrap ornaments in twine or burlap. Finally, cinnamon stick bundles can double as ornaments and aromatic accents. Tie 3 sticks together with twine, add a sprig of greenery or a small ornament, and hang them on your tree or wreath. These ornaments are not only beautiful but also bring a cozy, festive scent to your home. Check out our Christmas decor playlist for more easy and creative ideas, whether you're short on time or just looking for some fun, festive inspiration. Christmas decorating doesn't have to be a stressful, time-consuming task. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, even the simplest items can be transformed into something magical. The beauty of these last-minute DIY ideas lies in their accessibility and charm, proving that a festive atmosphere is within everyone's reach. As you dive into these projects, remember that the process of creating is just as meaningful as the finished product. Explore more of our videos for holiday hacks and DIY projects, perfect for last-minute touches or creating a beautifully decorated Christmas on the fly. These decorations carry a personal touch that store-bought items often lack, making your home feel warm, inviting, and uniquely yours. Every strand of lights, sprig of greenery, and handmade ornament tells a story of care, joy, and the spirit of Christmas. Whether you're crafting with family, friends, or on your own, these moments of creativity are what make the season so special. So let your imagination guide you, embrace the imperfections, and savor the magic of transforming simple materials into cherished decor. Each piece you create becomes a reflection of the joy and love you bring to the holiday season. Think about how these small efforts contribute to a home filled with warmth and laughter. The handmade charm has a way of sparking conversations and bringing smiles to faces, especially when guests notice your creative touch. Even if you're pressed for time, remember that the essence of Christmas lies in the thoughtfulness behind every gesture, big or small. These little details can create big memories, from the glow of a mason jar centerpiece to the nostalgia of a paper snowflake. Want to recreate these last-minute Christmas decorations? Check the description for links to the supplies and tools featured in today's video. Let the creativity you've poured into your decorations inspire others, showing that festive beauty is about heart rather than extravagance. And as the lights twinkle and the scents of pine and cinnamon fill the air, take a moment to reflect on the joy you've crafted with your own hands. This season is about more than the decor, it's about the feelings these special touches evoke. With every ribbon tied and ornament placed, you're weaving a tapestry of comfort, happiness, and love that everyone who enters your space will feel. So go ahead, add a sprinkle of glitter here, a touch of greenery there, and watch your home transform into a space that feels not just festive, but truly magical. Christmas decorating doesn't have to be a stressful, time-consuming task. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, even the simplest items can be transformed into something magical. The beauty of these last-minute DIY ideas lies in their accessibility and charm, proving that a festive atmosphere is within everyone's reach. As you dive into these projects, remember that the process of creating is just as meaningful as the finished product.